Walking through your living room and feeling nothing but smooth, clean floor under your feet shouldn't feel like a rare victory. For most of us, the reality of daily life means crumbs, dust, and a constant battle with the mop bucket. This is where the latest generation of automated cleaning tech steps in to try and reclaim your weekend. This specific hybrid robot vacuum and mop is pushing the boundaries of how little we actually have to do. The centerpiece of the whole experience is the docking station. It is a massive all-in-one hub that handles the grossest parts of the job. It empties the onboard dust bin. It refills the water tank. It actually scrubs the mop pads and dries them with heat so they do not end up smelling like a wet dog. You could genuinely ignore this machine for 7 days straight and still come home to shiny floors. That is the dream, right? But as with any piece of tech, you have to look at the fine print of how it actually handles a real home. If your house is mostly hardwood, tile, or laminate, this machine is going to be a star player. The suction is impressive for its size. It hunts down dirt and debris on flat surfaces with real clinical precision. Once you move on to carpet, the situation gets a bit more complicated. For thin rugs, it works perfectly fine. If you have deep, plush carpeting or a household full of long-haired pets, it might start to show its limits. It is a great maintenance tool, but it will not replace a heavy-duty upright vacuum for deep pile rugs. Then there is the issue of navigation. We all want a robot that can see the world like a human. But this one still has some blind spots. It tends to struggle with the small stuff. A stray sock or a thin phone charger left on the rug can easily ruin its day. It might get tangled up and send a notification to your phone asking for a rescue mission. The app itself is actually a highlight of the package. It gives you a lot of control over the chaos. You can draw lines on a digital map to keep it out of the dog's water bowl or away from a messy pile of kids' toys. One thing you will notice is that the machine is very picky about its own cleanliness. It likes to head back to the dock to wash its mops about every 20 minutes. This ensures you are not just dragging a dirty cloth across your entire house. It makes the cleaning process take a little longer, but the results are much better. You can always tweak those settings if you are in a rush. You also have to remember that self-cleaning does not mean no maintenance at all. You still need to clear hair out of the rollers and wipe down the sensors every once in a while. If you can handle those small tasks and keep your floors relatively tidy, this robot is a fantastic helper. It takes a boring, repetitive core and mostly deletes it from your life. It is not a miracle, but it is a massive step toward a future where we never have to touch a mop again. It offers a huge amount of convenience for the price point. If your home fits the right profile, you will find it hard to go back to a manual broom.